Air pollution is the greatest environmental challenge of our time. Millions suffer from its devastating effects. But what if one small device could make a big difference? Every year, billions of liters of fuel are wasted due to incomplete combustion, and harmful gases pollute our air. Rising fuel costs burden individuals and businesses alike. Introducing SuperTech, the innovative solution that reduces emissions, improves fuel economy, and saves you money, all while protecting the planet. SuperTech uses advanced infrared technology to enhance fuel combustion, converting unburnt fuel into energy. The result? Up to 80% fewer emissions and 13% better fuel efficiency. Tested and certified across 21 countries, SuperTech is trusted by governments, logistics companies, and private owners worldwide. Whether you own a car, bus, or heavy-duty truck, SuperTech has a variant to fit your needs. With just one small investment, you'll start saving immediately. Enjoy zero maintenance, a 5-year warranty, and up to 50x returns. Contact Hexagon now to revolutionize your fuel efficiency. Together, we can drive towards a cleaner, greener future.